Hello. So, yung gagawin natin ngayon ay, magko-configure tayo ng static IP addressing 'no. Okay. So, mag-drag lang tayo dito ng isang router, 'yan. Okay. Tapos yung merong router, merong switch at saka dalawang computer, okay. So, maglagay din tayo ng switch dito, 'yan, okay, and then dalawang computer. And so, we have PC0 and PC1, okay. And then now we will be using yung automatic na cable, automatically choosing connection type. So lagay natin dito sa router, tapos connect natin sa switch. Okay, then connect din natin itong switch natin dun sa ating PC0, saka yung switch dun sa ating PC1. Okay? Now, next na gagawin natin is, kung makita nyo dito, we have the connection between, meron green yung connection natin dito, but on the router is naka-red siya. It's because yung ating router initially is naka-turned off siya. And at the same time, kailangan natin siyang i-configure para magkaroon tayo ng, i-turn on natin siya. At the same time, may configure natin yung kanyang IP address at saka yung kanyang subnet NAS. Okay? Now, click nyo lang yung router. Okay, and then punta tayo sa may CLI. Then as you can see here, meron tayong makikita dito. We have the, would you like to enter initial configuration dialog? So i-type nyo lang dyan ng no. Okay, and then press.
Router greater than.
Yan, okay. So now, pag nakalabas na yung router, okay, type lang natin yung EN.
On router number.
Yan, okay. And then, i-type natin yung configure terminal. Yan. Okay, we have configure terminal.
Configure terminal, enter configuration commands, one per line, and with CNTLZ, router config number.
Okay, so we have here, yan. So, pagka lumabas na itong config, router config na yan, then what we are going to do now is we are going to, by the way, check muna natin yung kanyang sorry. Ayan. So, yung sa Ethernet niya, sa pag-click na, tinapat lang natin yan dyan. That is Gigabit Ethernet 00. So, yun yung ilalagay natin dun sa ating, dito sa router natin. Okay? So, ang lalagay lang natin dito is we're going to type interface. And interface Gigabit Ethernet. Yan, Gigabit Ethernet. Okay? And then 0, 0. Okay? And then enter lang natin.
Interface Gigabit Ethernet 00 router config if number.
Ayan, okay? And then after that is ilalagay lang natin yung kanyang IP address. Isa-set up natin yung IP address niya dito. So for example, gamitin natin is 192.168.1.1. Let's say for example. And then yung kanyang subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Okay, then press natin
IP address 192.168.1.1, 255.255.255.0 router config if number.
Okay, and then after that is i-type natin yung no shutdown. Okay. Now, itong no shutdown na command na ito is gagamitin natin para may turn on natin yung router at the same time hindi siya magta-turn off. Okay? Yan.
No shutdown. Router config if number.
Okay, then as antayin lang natin siya, no? Okay, so nakita natin dito na line protocol on internet interface Gigabit Ethernet 00 change state to up. Okay, then i-close na lang natin yan. So makita nyo dito naka-green na yung status. Okay, so if we're going check natin kung gumagana yung yung connection between the computer tsaka nung ating router. So makita natin diyan is failed. Okay, check din natin ito. Okay, makikita din natin is hindi rin siya gumagana. Okay, that is because hindi pa natin na set up yung mga IP address ng ating mga computer. Okay, so all we need to do, ang sinetup lang kasi natin yung IP address ng ating router. So all we need to do is to click on our PC0. Okay, then punta tayo sa my desktop, IP configuration, then click natin. This time we will be using static IP addressing. So ilagay lang natin dito. Let's say for example, yung IP address nito is check muna natin, no? Okay, ang IP address nito is 192.168.1.1. Okay, so lagyan na lang natin ng label. So 192.168.1.1. Okay, now yung isa naman 192.168.1.2. Okay, then yung isa 192.168.1.3. Okay, so ilagay natin doon. Okay, para alam natin yung kanilang mga IP address. Okay, so click natin ito. Okay, and then ilagay lang natin dito static ang pipiliin natin 192.168.1.2. Okay, then subnet mask, okay, as is. Then click natin yung close. Okay, then punta tayo sa may PC1. Okay, then punta tayo sa desktop, IP configuration static. Then type natin 192.168.1.3. Okay, so that 1.3. Yan. Okay, then okay. Then after that is i-check na natin kung meron na siyang connection. So i-click natin 'yan, tapos dun sa ating router, yan successful. Then dun sa ating PC0 to PC1 we have successful. Okay? Then okay, then yan. So makita natin successful yung ating IP configuration. So this is simple IP configuration sa ating static IP configuration with 2 computer, 1 switch and 1 router. Okay? Yan.